Hey everybody, your boy Ant here. We're about to make some chicken bacon ranch flatbread pizza. Chicken bacon ranch seems to be all the rage, and they have chicken bacon ranch subs, they have chicken bacon ranch sandwiches. Why not make it into a pizza? Come on. So, chicken's nice and shredded, and the bacon's done. Now it's just fine that one of the pieces broke up a little bit because we're gonna break it apart anyway to put it on top of the crust. Oh, the crust, that's right. Now you know I like to bake my pizza in cast iron, so I already have a 10-inch greased cast iron pan in a 350 degree. Wait, where is it? Oh wait, there it is. As I was saying, I already have my 10-inch cast iron pan in a 350 degree oven. It's gonna have to chill there for a few minutes. Now here is our flatbread pizza dough. Now you should recognize this from the sausage mac and cheese pizza video. I know that was vegan, but my pizza dough is vegan anyway. It just happens to be. And from that video you should also be familiar with how I roll it out and actually cook the flatbread. So we're just gonna whoosh past that and add it right to the cast iron pan. And now it's time to top it with some fun stuff. Olive oil, homemade ranch dressing, not tomato sauce this time. It is chicken bacon ranch after all. Mozzarella cheese, and our chicken and bacon. But I like to put more mozzarella cheese on top, as well as finishing with a little parsley. And we're gonna throw that in the oven and let it roll for 10 minutes. Okay, can't wait to dive into this. And dive in I shall. Excuse me. Pizza is kind of a messy food, but that tastes exactly like it should. Well, that's all I have for you. You know where to find the recipe. Thanks for being with me. I'll see you again soon. And that's what I call the upper crust. Wait, what does that mean anyway? The lower crust? Wait, that doesn't make sense either, right? I'll see you again soon. Maybe I should have said middle crust, but no, wait, that makes a little less sense.